I'm transitioning a little bit in my head from, okay, I've built this audience. Now that's cool and it's fun. And I love, the interaction and the people it's let me meet and all. That's all great. It would also be pretty cool if I could turn this into something that actually changes like my day-to-day life and my family's life. Then, man, I would genuinely like to help other people accomplish the same thing. I would like for people that really want to do something like this, that it doesn't take them 20 some years to figure it out like it's taken me. There's plenty of snake oil salesmen out there that are just trying to make a quick buck and, selling stuff that doesn't really provide value. So one of the things that I've always tried to tell myself was if I ever, quote, made it and, got a big enough following or found enough success, that I would try and, pay it forward and teach other people.